Hi, this is Eddie at Boss Laser Tech Support, located here in Sanford, Florida. Today we're going to go through leveling your bed on your Boss Laser machine. If you're running into issues with your cuts where it's not cutting through on certain corners of the bed, it could be possible that you're losing focus. So when you're losing focus, if you've already checked your focus depth and it looks good, you could also have an issue with your bed not being leveled. So if your bed's not leveled, you're going to lose focus at certain corners or certain sides on the bed. So that's what we're going to go through today. So checking the leveling with your bed here, you're going to use something firm. Like right now I have this little metal piece of board that I'm going to use. It's no warping, very firm and sturdy. So you're going to take this and put it on the right corner of your bed. And right now I have the nozzle pretty close. So what you do is when you put that on the right corner there, you're going to bring your bed up. So like say if it's down like this, you're going to go ahead and bring it up to where your nozzle is almost touching that piece. And then from there, what you'll want to do is go to your right and kind of see the difference in height with the nozzle to the material and see if there's a big difference. So you kind of see it happening there. And then this is the first part we're going to check, this first corner. Then you're going to take this metal piece and check in each corner so you can find out where it's unleveled and where we need to make the adjustment. After doing the test with the board on the bed, the issue we're having is that the left side is lower than the right side. So it's a very easy fix. We'll just need to bring the left side up a little bit. Now when you're adjusting your belt system down here, you'll need to make sure that your machine is off so you can actually move the belt. And then with this issue, you'll need to have someone hold the belt on the other side so it doesn't move the bed as you're adjusting the belt. So right now what we'll do is we have someone holding the other side. We'll take the belt and we'll either move it left or right. So whichever way, that will make the left side go up. We'll go ahead and move that. And then once we have it up there to where we, just by looking at it, if it looks leveled, go ahead and check it with the board again. Make sure that it's leveled on each corner, and then you should be good to go. If you're running into an issue where possibly one of the corners are lower than the other ones, it's going to take a little bit of a different step, but you're in the same area with the belts. What you're going to do, like say if I have an issue where the top left corner is lower than my other three corners, I'm going to just adjust the worm rod that corner is at. So to actually do that, I'll need to actually relieve my tension on my belt. So there is a tensioner here that you can loosen. There's 4 screws, and they're all Allen screws, so you should have an Allen wrench in your toolbox you can use. Loosen these 4 screws first, and then you can loosen this spring here to help alleviate some of that tension. If you still notice that you have a little bit too much tension still, you can go ahead and just unscrew, this is your stepper motor. You can unscrew the 4 screws on here just to relieve the rest of that tension and then have the belt off temporarily. So when you have the belt off, you should be able to take this worm rod and adjust it from the bottom here up or down, turning it left or right. And it should adjust your corner. So once you have that corner that you can see looks about right, go ahead and check it again with the 4-corner test with the board, and then go from there and you should be good. Before we went ahead and checked all 4 corners, and we found out that the left side was a little bit lower. So we went ahead and adjusted that. So after making those adjustments, we want to go ahead and put your metal plate, or if it's already on there, leave it there at the right corner. And then we're going to check that height again, see if it's a big difference after making those adjustments. It looks good there. I'm going to take it to the top left corner. Also looks good there. Bring it to your bottom left. Looks good there. Last corner, bottom right. All right, looks good on all corners. So now your bed is leveled correctly. And that's how you would go through checking the level on your Boss Laser machine. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us. Our email is techsupport@bosslaser.com, or you can also call us at 407-878-0880. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.